They're headed in a port, but I can't raise them.
Try again.
Skipper SS Venture, this is Engine Harbor Master. Do you copy? Over. Skipper SS Venture, you are approaching the breakwater at flank speed. Reduce at once. Over.
SS Venture, reduce your speed at once.
SS Venture, this is Engine Harbor
SS Venture,
Master.
reduce your speed at once. You're
Docking
approaching the docking
area.
area.
What's everybody looking at?
We should have stayed in the damn car.
Okay, Mr. Ludlow?
I don't know. How do I look?
Get up this way!
Where's the crew? All over the place.
Check the cargo,